For 2 years, this long-term care residence has been home for Sophie Lavoie, but her sister says there have been problems from the start.
She's dealing with bruise, a rash in the bottom, excrement in her bed. So she needs to have more attention during the day.
Lavoie has been documenting her sister's experience with photos and says she filed a complaint months ago. The home is now one of 2 private facilities owned by the same company that the Quebec Health Ministry has placed under trusteeship after an investigation revealed issues around safety and quality of care. This amid outbreaks of streptococcus A, which have led to the deaths of 4 people. The company has not responded to our request for comment. The local health authority has deployed teams inside the homes to run them, but it says some families have chosen to move their loved ones out.
I just started picking up some stuff to help my uncle move.
Alexandra Cobley's uncle has been living here temporarily, waiting for a spot in a public home.
So I picked up his winter jacket and just...
She says there have been repeated problems, including poor communication and a period of 25 days when her uncle was isolated in his room.
He's a little shocked to hear what's been going on with other residents. Considering what's happened to my uncle, and I visit regularly, I can only imagine what's happening to patients who don't have a family member to check in on them.
At the start of the pandemic, Quebec saw thousands of deaths in long-term care homes which were short-staffed and unprepared. Some with loved ones in the homes now under trusteeship say not enough has been done to fix the system.
They're just not doing what they said they would do, and these are the most vulnerable people.
This is gross negligence.
This patient's rights advocate says solutions are needed now.
Better supervision, better access to inspection, better people being, surveyed before they enter into this kind of...
Allison, this is happening in the middle of a provincial election campaign. What are the candidates saying about seniors or saying to seniors?
Well, we heard from several leaders promising more money for home care. But another issue that came up was in response to a Radio Canada report that the province plans to install cameras in the rooms of new seniors' homes it's building. But that raised concerns for some parties that it would create a Big Brother-like environment or lead to less in-person care. Of course, some families have already installed their own cameras over concerns about the quality of care in some facilities.
Thanks, Allison. Allison Northcott in Montreal.